In this tutorial, I will show you blur tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have opened an image already which I have collected from Pixabay. So blur tool is located here. You can see this is blur tool. So blur tool blurs areas in an image. What it does blur the image. So this is blur. Here is mode. The mode is normal, darken, lighten, hue, saturation, color and luminosity. I am using normal mode. Here is strength. You can see you can uplift the strength to 100% or 50%. Usually it's default 50% and you can try to higher. So you can see here is this beautiful picture. Here is the her skin. So I am using blur tool. You can see the texture is showing much more. So I will try to minimize this with blur tool. So I am using this tool. I am blur the skin texture few so that it will not look so obvious. So I am using this tool very quickly. You can see I have copied the image so that you can see the difference. The tool I am using before and after. I will show you. Just few steps. Okay. And I am also. So you can see by using blur tool, it was after and it was before. You can see the texture is more obvious and now this is minimized. Also you can blur any background. If you want to highlight your image subject, you can blur your background with this tool. Just increase or decrease the strength as per your need. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.